Imagine walking into a room and immediately capturing everyone's attention, not through flashy words or grand gestures, but with a calm, unshakable presence. What if I told you that you could become a person everyone naturally wants to follow? Now, here's the question I want you to ponder and answer in the comments. What is the one quality that you believe makes someone truly influential? In today's video, we're going to explore how the ancient philosophy of Stoicism can guide you in becoming that person, someone who inspires respect and admiration effortlessly. Get ready to discover the timeless strategies that will transform you into a leader who doesn't just command attention, but earns it. To become someone others naturally want to follow, we must start by mastering the art of self-control. Now, imagine you're faced with a difficult situation, perhaps someone insults you or an unexpected problem arises at work. How do you respond? A typical reaction might be to lash out or to panic, but the Stoic approach teaches us something far more powerful: remain calm. Marcus Aurelius, one of the greatest Stoic philosophers, believed that true power lies not in controlling the external world, but in mastering our internal world, our thoughts, emotions, and reactions. When you maintain your composure in the face of adversity, you project a quiet strength. Others see this and naturally gravitate toward you, sensing your stability in a chaotic world. This brings us to the next principle: focusing on what we can control. In life, there are countless factors beyond our influence: other people's opinions, the weather, the economy. The Stoics teach us that it's futile to expend energy on things we cannot change. Instead, we should focus on what we can control: our actions, our decisions, our mindset. When you embody this principle, you set yourself apart as a person of wisdom and pragmatism. People are drawn to leaders who do not waste time on what they cannot influence, but instead take decisive action where they can. This focus on controllables creates an aura of efficiency and clarity that others admire and want to emulate. Next is the often misunderstood concept of humility. Many mistake humility for weakness, but in Stoicism, humility is a profound strength. It's about recognizing that, no matter how much we achieve, there is always more to learn, more ways to grow. Seneca, another prominent Stoic, emphasized that wisdom comes from perpetual learning and openness to the ideas of others. When you, as a leader, display humility, you show that you value the input and perspectives of those around you. This not only builds trust, but also encourages a collaborative environment where everyone feels valued. People are naturally inclined to follow someone who respects their contributions and acknowledges that no success is achieved alone. We then come to resilience, a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. Life, as we know, is unpredictable. It's filled with challenges, setbacks, and unforeseen events. The Stoics believed in amor fati, a concept that means loving one's fate. This isn't about passively accepting whatever happens, but embracing it as part of your growth journey. When you demonstrate resilience, by facing difficulties with a positive mindset and a willingness to learn from every experience, you inspire others. Your ability to navigate tough times with grace becomes a source of strength for those around you, encouraging them to follow your example when they encounter their own challenges. Finally, let's talk about empathy and understanding. In our interactions with others, we often forget that each person is fighting their own battles, dealing with their own struggles. Marcus Aurelius reminded himself regularly to consider the humanity in others, to remember that everyone is doing the best they can with the knowledge they have. When you practice empathy, you connect with people on a deeper level. You show that you care not just about their performance, but about them as individuals. This creates a foundation of trust and loyalty, making people more likely to follow you, not because they have to, but because they want to. When you lead with empathy, you foster an environment where others feel seen, heard, and valued, and this is the bedrock of true influence.